Hey guys, this is for the pie lovers. Today I'm going to be making a Wagyu beef pie. One of my most favourite things to eat. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's go. I'm a private chef in Australia. I've been very successful in what I do. I've been able to teach people how to come out of their full-time jobs and actually become a private chef. I released an ebook on how to become a private chef, which I will share in a link below. So if you're interested in starting your own journey, I wish you all the success. I'm going to teach you how to make a pie in under 3 minutes. That doesn't mean that you're going to cook it in 3 minutes. I'm just going to make sure this video is under 3 minutes.
Okay, first get onion, celery, carrot, garlic, and chop it all up, stick in a bowl. Grab your beautiful Wagyu, dice that up, and we're going to dust it with flour. Dust off the excess and lay on a tray. Get your favourite pot, a drop of oil, get it nice and hot. Start frying off that Wagyu. Make that meat look sexy. Then season with salt and pepper. Then lay the beef on a tray. Then let's start frying off the veg. Split down for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now throw back in that sexy Wagyu and give it a really good stir. Now add tomato paste, half and half of horseradish and whole grain mustard, some thyme, bay leaf, Worcestershire sauce, and give it a really good mix. Now let's crack open a beer and pour it in, and add in your beef stock. Give it a really good stir and cook for around 2.5 hours or until nice and thick. Make sure those sides are clean.
Now the beef pie should be cooking nicely on the side, so it's time to focus on the pastry part. Now, personally, I reckon I need a professional to come and help me with this, so let me bring in the big dog that knows exactly how to roll pastry.
Hello everyone.
Where's your apron?
It's right here.
What? How did you do that? Magic!
So what Violet is doing here is cutting out rings from short crust pastry ready to bake in the oven. Spray the tart tin with oil and lay in the pastry. As you can see, she got better and better. Now it's time to make a cartouche. Then lay the cartouche in your tart and fill it up with rice. Now it's time to bake them in the oven. Once your mix is ready, season one last time with salt and pepper and give it a really good mix. Pick out the bay leaf and thyme and test that beef. Sexy. Get your tart case and fill it up. Cut rings out of puff pastry and lay them on top of the pie. Make them look sexy with some egg wash and pierce a little hole on top. Bake in the air fryer or the oven and look what you've got. A beautiful Wagyu pie. Recipe will be on my website. Please subscribe.